everyone, we are excited to present to you our newest product, a small automatic welding machine for roofing, the TechOn.
Techo means roof in Spanish. That's where the name for our TechOn is coming from. It's perfect for repairs or small projects on roofs, as it has a small energy consumption. By 120 volt we have less than 15 amps and by 230 volt less than 10 amps. That means it will be possible to plug in the TechOn on any standard socket. You can weld all different kind of materials and you can weld very close to the edge. Let's see how the TechOn is operating. First, we plug it in. Then you get your material ready and position the TechOn. Of course, before you do the actual welding, you always have to do a test welding. We turn the blower on and set the temperature. Then we adjust the speed. With this button you can adjust the automatic drive start of the TechOn. In the first position it will drive automatically. Position 0 is the standby position, and position 2, with this it will start to drive once you put the nozzle in. For more information, also if you want to adjust the guide roller or the nozzle for your preference, please refer to the operating manual. The new TechOn is available now. Send us an email for a quote.